Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, we will be talking about the topic binary search in C programming. So before getting started, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. So let's get started. So as I told you, our today's topic is binary search in C programming. So for that, let us take an array. So inside the array, let us take the elements one by one. Let me take 10 elements. So the elements are 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 17, 33, 47, 88 and 95. So before starting this search, I want to mention one very important thing, which is binary search can be performed only in a sorted array. So as you can see in the screen, this is a sorted array. All the elements are arranged in an ascending order. So here you can see that the indexing starts from 0 and goes on till 9. So here the array size is 10. And let us consider the key value to be 17, which will be the element that we will be searching by performing binary search. So we are supposed to find this key value 17 in this given array. Now the question arises, how will we perform this? So let me tell you the solution. We will first divide this array by finding the mid value or mid term. The formula to find the mid value is mid equal to start plus end divided by 2. So as you can see in the diagram, the start value is 0 and the end value is 9. So the mid value formula will be 0 plus 9 divided by 2, and it will be 9 by 2, which can be approximately termed as 4. So now we can say that 17 or the key value is greater than a of mid. That means 17 is greater than a of 4, and in the array we can see that 17 is greater than the a of 4 element, which is 13. So now what we will do is we will change the formula for start, which will be start is equal to mid plus 1. That is, the mid value was 4, so it will be 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And we already have the end value, which was 9. So end equal to 9. We are skipping the first 5 elements because the key value 17 is not present there, as you can see. So now again let us find the mid value in this new array. Mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2. So our new start is 5 and the end value is 9. It will be 5 plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Now let us check once again. 17 is less than a of mid, or 17 is less than a of 7, or we can say 17 is less than 47, which is true. So now because it is less than the mid value, what we will do is we will change the formula for end. End equal to mid minus 1. That is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So we have start equal to 5 and end equal to 6. And this is our new array. So we are skipping this end part because key value is not present here, or it is less than this part. So now again mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2 is equal to 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 5 approximately. So now let us check once again. 17 is equal to A of mid. 17 is equal to A of 5, or we can see here that 17 is equal to 17. This means that our search has been successful, so we can print it. If we don't find the element, in that case we will print search is unsuccessful. So now this is the entire logic of performing binary search to find an element in an array. And as I told you, binary search can only be performed in a sorted array. So the array has to be sorted first, and then we can do the binary search. In my case, I will be taking a already sorted array, and in the next topic, I will show you how to sort arrays with the help of bubble sort and other sorting algorithms. So now let us go on to the editor so that I can show you the program to implement binary search. So here I am going to my editor, and let me start by the header file #include stdio.h, which is the standard input output library. And then I will start with the int main, and inside my main function I will declare my variables which are of the integer data type. So I will take the loop variable I, then I will take the start variable, then I will take the end variable, then I will take the mid variable, then the array size n, then I will take the key to be searched, and finally I will take the array, say of 100 size, so that I can sort it for more numbers. And now I will use the printf function, and here I will ask the user to enter the number of elements, and to take the control to the next line I will use the /n. And now using the scanf function I will take the input from the user and store it by using the %t and n. So now I have taken the number of elements from the user. Now I will use the printf statement or function to tell the user to enter the elements one by one. So I will use enter %d integers one by one, and then here also I will use the /n so that I can give the control to the next line, and after the comma I will give the n value. So now again I have to use a for loop here so that I can take the input from the user. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Inside the curly braces I will use the scanf function, and here I will take the input from the user and store it by using %d. A of I. So this is the way how I can store the input from the user, and after that I will go out of this for loop, and again I will use the print function, and here I will type enter the value to be searched, and here also I will use the /n character, and here I will take the user input by scanf %t, and I will store it in the key variable. So first I have to initialize the values for start and end. So I will take start to be 0, and because the indexing starts from 0, so I have to take end equal to n minus 1, and now I have to write the formula for mid, which is mid equal to start plus end divided by 2, and you have to be very sure about this bracket, because otherwise it will give errors or you will not be able to implement it correctly. After that, I will be using a while loop, and the condition will be while start is always less than equal to end, then here I will write the condition if a of mid is less than my key value, then inside the curly braces, as I told you in the explanation, my start value will be start equal to mid plus 1. So this is the condition, and I have to take another condition, which is else if I find the key, then I have to write a of mid equal the key value, then here I will print %t found at location %d. I will tell you what I am trying to do, and let me give a full stop, and after that let me again use a escape character, which is /n, so that I can go on to the next line, and after the comma I will use key and then my mid plus 1, because if I have found the key, then I will say key is found at the mid plus 1 location. And after this, if I have already found the key, then I have to go out of the loop, for which I will be using the break statement. And now, if this condition is also not satisfied, if I have not found the key, then what I have to do is I have to again compare the other condition, which is the last one, which is else, and inside the brackets I have to write end equal to mid minus 1. So this is done, and finally I have to again update the value of mint, which is mint equal to start plus end divided by 2. Now comes the condition where I will not be finding the key. Then this will be a unsuccessful search, and for that also I have to use the print function. So it will be like if start greater than end, then inside curly braces I will use the print function, and here I will type not found, and then I will use %t isn't present in the list, full stop, and then I will use the /n, and after the comma here I will take the key variable. So this is done, and because I have taken int main, as you can see here, I will use the return 0 statement at last. So this is the entire logic, and now I will show you by running it. So let me run it for you. So it says there is an error. Okay, the error is I have only written print, so it should be printf. Now it's correct. So let me run it so that I can show you the output. So here I'm running it for you. Okay, so it's asking me for the number of elements. Let me take 5, and here I will take the 5 integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's asking me to find the value. Let the value be, say, 5. So it is in the array, as you can see. This is the last one. So when I press enter now, it says 5 found at location 5. So this is working all right. Now let me show you for the unsuccessful search, where I will not be giving the element which is present in the existing array. So here let me run it once again, and let me take suppose 6 elements, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to keep in mind that you are always giving sorted array only, otherwise it will not work. And if I press enter now, and it's asking me for the value to find, let me take 9 and press enter. So here you can see, let me zoom it for you. It says not found, 9 isn't present in the list. So this is the logic behind this, guys. So here is the entire program. I hope you have understood. This is how we can perform binary search in C programming.
So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Happy learning.